Hello, good morning, YouTubers, or afternoon, or whatever it is in your time. I came to do a short little video. Let's see if you can see me. Hello. I came to do a short little video while I snuck out the house and left my baby in there with her dad. So I can do a little short film of my garden. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And I got a few things that I need to do out here too. But I came to check on it and tell you guys what everything is, so let me hurry up. Okay, this is a key lime tree. Yes, I have it in a pot. It does look a little dry. I gotta get out here and water if it doesn't rain today because it's kind of cloudy. But that's the key lime. This is my basil. Oh, the sun is popping out strong now. Okay, these are my beans. They are some kind of peas. They are looking dried out too. I don't know, I just watered the other day, but it's so hot in Mobile. See those? Can you see? Yeah. And these are my cucumbers. Right here I got 2 cantaloupe plants, but they're not growing really good. Hopefully they get on up there. Cucumber. Cucumber. Do I have any luck with any female cucumber plants? It doesn't look like it. I only got male plants open right now. No female plant open. But hopefully that will change. Let's keep moving around. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are opening. 6, 7 cucumber plants. And most of them are starting to get flowers on them. Then I got watermelon right here. And look at that. Oh, I got some flowers on my watermelon plant. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Let me just. Oh, beautiful. And then these over here. Well, I have another key lime that's over here in the ground. That's another key lime plant. I'm going to dig it up one day. One day soon. Okay, let's go back. Over here is my zucchini and squash. I'm really not having any luck with it. I don't know why. Maybe because they're close together. I don't know. If y'all have any tips for me, let me know. I'm taking some of these dead leaves off. Off of here. Sit it up straighter. Sit you up straighter. And they're on sticks. They're on some little sticks I have. And those are zucchini and squash up there too. So I have a redo if these don't come out right. See that? So I have to come out here with some scissors and just pluck around it. Now this look like it wants to do some flowers in it. Can you see that? So I'll probably come out here with some more water. But Lord Jesus, let it rain. I just seen a drop. So let me move on around. Okay. I got some kale and some greens right here coming up. Then I got some peppers right there coming up. And I have some tomatoes right there coming up. They so close together. Let me get in here right quick. Boom. Let's see. I don't want to pull up these two. Space it out a little. What's that? Oh, five. So 1, 2. So, okay, that's spaced out enough. And then right here, my peppers. I'm gonna take this one. Let's see which one got the most leaves. That one. Take that one. Then we got 3, 4. And we got a tomato right there. Peppers, greens. Okay, let me step out. And here we go. My snap beans bush is huge. It has so much going on in it. I love it. I really do. And I can't wait till the peas start growing. I'm gonna plant some more though. And these are peppers. Those two are peppers. But I need more water back here, guys. I gotta give me a 50-foot water hose and just drown my plants. Oh, look at these tomatoes. But he gave me some peppers. Pepper plants that I got down in there that I'm going to replant after I let them soak in some water to get moist. Look at that, that's not any good. But I could probably plant that pepper. And I'm going to plant it. Actually, see that? It's just tomatoes, you guys. A big tomato bush. And peppers. See the other side. All these tomatoes on here that I need to pick. But I'm trying to bring it back to life. I'm going to come out here and do some pruning later. Picking some stuff off. So if you want to follow me over here to my front garden, which I have lilies. Different sort of lilies. See those lilies? Then I have some other, I have a zucchini up here too, but I haven't really been, I got a tomato too right there, a zucchini right here that I haven't really been, I forgot about actually. So maybe I can bring that one back to life as well. And another one. Look like something been up here chewing on the front ones. And then these lilies. Oh man. Just really pissing me off. Okay, let's plant this. Open it a little bit and see if I can get something out of that. And give me my cherry tomatoes. Okay. I planted that. These are my lily garden. My lilies over there. And that's it. So, I'll probably do another update in like a week or two. So, till next time, holla.